Hello guys, my name is Takir and you're watching Trending News Videos. Before starting the video, you must subscribe our channel Trending News Videos. The New World Shopping Mall was built in 1982 and closed just 15 years after. The local government had just discovered the mall owner had just built an 11-story mall when he only had secure permission for 4 stories. Many locals expressed anger with the height of the mall, saying it was an insult to build anything taller than the Grand Palace. So, they destroyed 7 of the mall's floors, leaving the building roofless and drowning in rubble. But heirs of the rainwater had formed a sizable pond in the heart of the mall's ground floor, making it a perfect breeding ground for mosquitoes. To combat an impending health disaster, locals brought a few mosquito-eating fish to kill all the mosquitoes. The fish mall quickly became a huge hit with the tourists and locals. People start visiting the mall and feed the fishes. People kept coming until the government stopped them. So the Thailand Department of Fisheries began the task of capturing and rehoming thousands of fishes which they released into various bodies of water throughout the country. And many people ask me the question, who feed those fishes? So I have an answer for you guys. The tourists and the locals of that area feed those fishes. And for those people who are excited to go there, so that Bangkok Fish Mall is no more a fish mall. Government removed fishes from the basement of that mall, and now I don't know what happened at mall after they have removed the fishes, but one thing is clear, that mall is no more a fish mall. And subscribe Trending News Videos for more videos and support us by subscribing our channel. And see you guys in the next videos.